Kenzie, ready for some food? Mmm. Yummy, yum. Here you go.
Too hot?
No. Here you go. You don't like it?
It's not that yummy, I know. It really isn't that yummy.
Mommy likes it.
So bland.
Well, you liked it last night.
Yeah, but I just had boob. Last night I was hungry.
No? Apparently she does not.
Gagging is so bad.
Okay. Not hungry right now.
She had a full stomach.